Alright, so we're gonna upload this program to this brain over here, okay, using this code that I just wrote. In fact, most of that I have copy and pasted from the internet, so it's pretty easy. So let's use this button and click upload. Okay, so once you have clicked upload already, you can look at the dialog box over here. It's now compiling Sketch. Okay, so now it will take a bit of time, maybe about a minute, to start uploading the program onto the brain, onto the microprocessor or the Node MCU. So let's just wait for a minute. Okay, by the way, you can fast forward this, you don't have to wait for it, but well, here it goes. So what it uploads, let's take a look at some of this code over here. Oh yeah, it's coming up already. Okay, so anything you see with a H over here is actually a library. Okay, so you can see there are one library, two library, and that is three library over here. Right, so libraries are pre-written program that you can trigger, right? And the purpose of having library, or the advantage of having a library, is basically to shorten the amount of codes that you write. You want your code to be as short as possible. Okay, so it consumes less resources or power to run the program. Okay, so you can see that it's completed already. Okay, 100%. And now let's go and see whether it's done. Oh yes, look at that. Okay, start with number 1, 2. Now it's 29 degrees and it's 84% humidity. Seems like it's going to rain tonight. And that's all. We're good. We're pretty good on this. Yeah. Okay. So over here you don't see any light, right? Compared to the first one that you see, there was a light here. There wasn't any light here. So these actually are two different sensors. And if you compare the two sensors, they may even give you slightly different result. Okay. And this is where you need to do some calibration, which of course in this case we're not covered in this tutorial. Alright, so things are working pretty good for this LCD. And we're about done. Thank you.